Hello, welcome to Cosplay Cafe. I am Tori the Dragon, and today we are going to be making some marshmallow penguins. So the first step that we want to do is get some dark chocolate and put it in a microwave safe bowl. And then you're going to be microwaving this for 30-second bursts. And you're going to want to make sure that you stir it between each session in the microwave to make sure that it is melted evenly, and you don't want to burn the chocolate or overcook it. That looks pretty good to me. Alright, so you're going to get a plate and cover it with some wax paper. And you're going to be holding each marshmallow by the corner. And you go ahead and dip the first half and then the back half in the chocolate. And it's alright if you get a little bit of extra chocolate melting down to the bottom of the marshmallow, because it'll look like he's got a little tail. Good. And you're going to want to put this in the refrigerator to chill for about 15 minutes. Alright, so it has been about 15 minutes and our penguins are set. So we are going to be putting their little eyes and beaks on now. So you can find these candy eyes at most grocery stores. There we go. And you're going to use the chocolate that we used to dip the marshmallows in as kind of like a glue to keep it on there. There's one, and for the beaks you're going to be cutting some little M&Ms, or you can also use Smarties, and you're going to be very, very careful while you're doing this. And that is one complete. And any candies that break not perfectly in half, just eat them. Go ahead and cut some of them up. And the chocolate is starting to get a little solidified, so I'm just going to pop it back in the microwave for a couple more seconds. Alright, and then after that you're going to be putting them back in the fridge to set again. And that's going to be about 10-15 more minutes. Itadakimasu!
Oh, you didn't put a rock in this, did you? So good. What do you think, Snowball? Thank you.